Everything is same place where I left it yesterday. So today we'll be basically making space for these trees. I'm just amazed at these cherries. So we'll be making space for these trees and also the half a barrel. We'll be doing a bit of a harvest as well. Look at the tomato branch that I stuck inside here. It is not over until it's over. I have a few places in mind already for some of the containers. I may move the barrel from over here, put it a little closer, move this one. I don't know, but I know that you're with me, so we got this. So I'm going to move the table like I told you before. I'm going to get the barrel over here. I prefer to have the coconut tree in this spot so it can flourish. So come garden with me now, guys. Welcome back to my garden. A warm welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Welcome to the GWS family and welcome back to all of you, my beautiful supporters. I sincerely appreciate you all. My Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man. And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam. Let me get this out of the way. Lovely okras. Cherry tomatoes. Looking so pretty. So cute. Okay, let's get these peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers. Guys, unfortunately, I didn't realize that the phone click off, but I just harvested these from here. So let me get this one. It's a hot pepper that seasons very well. All right. I also have some Scotch bonnets over here. Remember when I showed you this the other day and I said I would research it? I haven't gotten anything conclusive. So I'm not sure what is happening. But if you know, please let me know. So see, they also affected those around there. Let me take them off. Anyways. So there they are. This one is not so bad. Okay, this one is okay. But look at this one. I don't even know if I should. I'm not going to put this one with the others. Let me rest it up here. Alright, so let me get the others. Let me see if they have anything going on. No, this one is okay. It's alright. These are tiny, but they are ripe, so I'm just getting them. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Alright, so I have over here, look at that. Yes, so I have a little strawberry. I'm not going to have this one. I'm going to give it to my mother. Yeah. See another little one coming up right here. Okay. Beautiful, isn't it? Ah, so rosy and nice. So guys, mulberry. I have two mulberries on here. Uh-oh. I've never eat. Oh my god. That one fell. See this one? Fell. Was ready to harvest, man. Was just waiting for me. Alright, so I've never eaten mulberry. I'm actually going to taste it with you guys. I don't know what to expect, but I am so excited. Can't wait to taste that with you. All right. So, for the final thing we're going to harvest, well, I think so, yes, are these oxart tomatoes. All right, so there are three of them. So, this is one, another one, and another one right here. The reason these two are in these bags is because when I saw that they were about to ripen, they start to crack up. As soon as I take off the bag and pick them off, you will see. So they started to crack up, and I didn't want any insect to crawl on them, like any lizard or anything. So I put these bags on. And I got these bags from Blessings from the garden. Saraya gave me them quite some time now, and I've never used them. So the time has finally come. Thank you so much again, Twin Sisters, guys. They do their gardening over there in Kingston. Check them out. You will love it. So yes, let's get to it. Uh-oh. See, guys? So there's a split there. That is why I waited to harvest them last, because I didn't want any insect or anything to get on them. If you think this one is bad, take a look at this one. Here we go. So look at it, guys. That is why I waited last to harvest it, because I want to eat it. I didn't want anything to get inside of them. Would you still eat it, guys? I'm going to eat it. Let's put them up to the Father. Bless them, God. And I'm having them. I am having them. Would you still eat them? Comment and let me know. They weren't like this when I bagged them. It's over time. Maybe two or two, 3 days after, they start to open up further as they ripen. Let me show you this one. So let me show you how they were looking. So this one, you see at the top right there, how it has a little crack. That was how these two were looking initially. So they start to ripen and they start to open up. At that time, they were already in the bags. Wow, the mulberry is so juicy, giving off so much juice. Such a beautiful little harvest. This is such a blessing. All right, so let me get this washed up and we're going to taste it together. You know what? Let me taste the smaller one. Since this is bigger, the children can share this for both of them. So let me taste the smaller one. It's bringing so much juice. Right, so let me get this washed up. I'll be back with you. So here we have it, guys. Tiny, but I am forever grateful. It feels so good. All right, here we go. But it tastes good, man. This tasted really good. Nah, I'm not gonna have it. I'm thinking about having the other one, but no, I'm going to let the children have that one. This is something I could enjoy. Like that's a very nice snack. Oh my word, I wasn't expecting that. I'm trying to figure out what it tastes like. I can't place it. I can't place it just yet. Time to get some work in. Come along, guys. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance. So, this is all right here is. There are two blocks right here. One block right here, so, and one over there. So I think I'm going to put another one over here and to put the half a barrel on. Guys, I'm just checking to see if there's anything that wants to jump out on me. So let me put on this gloves because the last time I didn't wear any gloves. The pumpkin vines, they scratched me so badly. So I need to carefully move the vine without damaging it. I think I can just make some space right here, so. Uh-oh. There's a space right here that I'm just going to put a block and let it add to this one right here. So put it right here, join it with this one, and then just put it on it. So I don't have to move up the pumpkin vine too much. Let me try to get this from over here. see if I can get over here without damaging my vine. So I'm just going to rest it on there so the vine can still run around the pumpkin, around the half a drum. I'm gonna go for it. So it's going to be right here. Right here. So I'm going to get help to put the holes in and also to load it up. What do you think about right there, guys? Alright, so the cherry tree, I already... Uh-oh, look at that. The one that was here that I was bragging about fell off. So I already knew that I wanted to put the cherry tree beside where the strawberries are. So let me do just that. I might just put this rosemary. Where will I put the rosemary? I can put this there as well, you know, for now. Yes, I have two spaces there. Can put both of them there for now. Alright. Not bad. Not bad at all. But the rosemary can hold like that. Let me try. Okay, not bad. Looks like it went fall off. No, not really. It's fine. There they are. The cherry and the rosemary. The good thing about container gardening, you can move as you wish. It allows you that flexibility. Alright, so the uh, orange tree. I'm going to put the orange tree right here. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance. Yeah, nice location. For the light sheet, I think I'm going to move my liquid fertilizer container because I need to make 2 more of those. That way I can always have maybe 2 to 3 weeks old each time I use them. So you know, the longer the better for your plants. So I'm going to have 3 in total. I'm just waiting to get the buckets because the buckets that I used to use, I use them up to plant my trees. So I usually have 3, now I have 1. So I'm going to get that fixed. I'm going to move that bucket and put the lychee right there. I was going to move the barrel, but then I said, you know what, I'm not going to move it because where it is right now, it catches rainwater very well. So I'm not going to move that. So the soursop is going to go in the container where the coconut is right now. So as soon as I take out the coconut, soursop will go in there. Guys, I'm always checking to see if there are any lizard. I would hate to pick it up and there's a lizard. Alright, just let me rest this right here. Well, move it out the way. Put the lychee over here now. Cut all those hands. I'm going to put some ants powder there. You know what? Let me put the ants powder there right now. So let's get the lychee over. Oopsie. Oh, yeah. So that's where I let it stay. Oh, I had moved this earlier. Let me just put it back. Alright, yeah. So I still can come here easy. In the water barrel. Quite empty right now. So I just need to find where I'm going to put this avocado. Alright. Let's check and see. Where can I put it? Where can I put you, Mr. Avocado Man? You know, I could rest the avocado right here for now. Because I don't need much space to go around here. I'm thinking. I don't want to put it here because sometimes I put a chair right here and sit and relax. Look at the lizard. Look at it. Go. Go. You determine me. Go, man. Go. Watch you. Watch you. If you ever jump on me today. Come on. You know what? I'll leave him alone, yeah? I'm just going to rest the avocado right here. I will figure, trust me. I will. If I'm going to let it stay there, you will see. So I'm just going to let it stay there for now. So I have quite a bit of cleaning up to do. I don't think I'm going to do it on camera, but you will see the finished product of how I clean up, and the coconut tree and the soursop tree. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you all. So that's it for today, and until next time, walk good.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country?